In the dynamic and fast-paced environment of the Scaled Agile Framework, or SAFe, team conflicts are inevitable, especially as multiple teams work together within an Agile Release Train to deliver value. Conflicts can arise from various sources, including differences in priorities, working styles, or technical approaches. However, when handled constructively, these conflicts can drive innovation and improve team collaboration. SAFe provides clear strategies and practices to resolve conflicts, ensuring that teams stay focused on their shared goals of delivering high-quality products and services. By utilizing effective communication, leveraging key roles like the Scrum Master and Release Train Engineer, and fostering a culture of transparency and mutual respect, SAFe equips teams with the tools to resolve conflicts and maintain momentum. Understanding the causes of conflict in SAFe. The causes of conflict in SAFe teams are often multifaceted, arising from differences in both the technical and interpersonal aspects of work. The high degree of interdependence in SAFe, where teams work together to achieve larger objectives, means that misalignment or unclear communication can lead to frustration and tension. Common sources of conflict in SAFe include prioritization conflicts. In SAFe, teams must align their work with the broader objectives of the Agile Release Train, but sometimes they might have conflicting priorities. For example, one team might feel that a feature they are developing is critical, while another team might prioritize resolving technical debt or addressing urgent bugs. Misalignment in prioritization can lead to disagreements over resource allocation and the definition of value. Technical disagreements. SAFe encourages cross-functional teams, but technical disagreements often arise when team members with different technical backgrounds or expertise clash over the best approach to solving a problem. This is especially true in large organizations where teams might have different coding standards, testing methodologies, or architectural preferences. Role confusion. In large-scale agile environments, it can be easy for roles and responsibilities to become blurred. For example, a team member might be unclear about whether they are responsible for decision-making in a certain area or if it falls under the scope of another team. This ambiguity can create frustration and cause conflicts. Communication breakdowns. Effective communication is a cornerstone of Agile, but when communication channels are weak or ineffective, misunderstandings can occur. In SAFe, where multiple teams must synchronize their work, poor communication can lead to confusion over dependencies, missed deadlines, or misalignment on objectives. Cultural and interpersonal differences. When working with diverse teams across regions and cultures, personal and cultural differences may also contribute to conflict. SAFe encourages collaboration among teams with different backgrounds, and while this diversity can be beneficial, it can also present challenges if cultural differences are not understood or respected. Promoting open communication. Effective communication is central to conflict resolution in SAFe. Transparency is a key SAFe value, and promoting open communication among team members helps resolve misunderstandings and prevent conflicts from escalating. Several practices within SAFe support open communication daily stand-ups. The daily stand-up is a brief, structured meeting where team members share updates on what they're working on, any obstacles they face, and what they plan to do next. This is a key opportunity to surface issues early on, whether they are technical, relational, or process-related. If a conflict arises, the daily stand-up can be a forum for bringing it to light in a timely manner, allowing the team to address it before it affects progress. PI planning. One of the key events in SAFe is program increment planning, where teams align on the goals and deliverables for the upcoming increment. This event helps to surface potential conflicts related to priorities, dependencies, or technical approaches early. By addressing these conflicts during PI planning, teams can avoid misunderstandings or misalignments later in the process. The collaborative nature of PI planning fosters trust and encourages all teams to be transparent about potential risks or concerns. Iteration planning. Iteration planning is another critical event in SAFe where teams align on the work they will deliver during the iteration. Open communication during this planning session helps resolve conflicts related to capacity, technical solutions, or feature dependencies. Clear communication about what each team can and cannot commit to ensures that expectations are set correctly, reducing the risk of conflict. Feedback loops. In SAFe, feedback is encouraged throughout the development cycle. During sprint reviews, retrospectives, and throughout the program increment, teams are encouraged to give and receive feedback. This culture of continuous feedback helps teams identify areas where conflict may arise and work together to address them. If team members or teams are not aligned, feedback sessions can uncover misalignments early and allow teams to adjust their approach before problems escalate. Leveraging the Scrum Master and Release Train Engineer, or RTE, is crucial in resolving conflicts in SAFe. These roles are designed to ensure that teams are aligned and able to deliver on their objectives while maintaining a positive working environment. The Scrum Master's primary responsibility is to act as a servant leader for the team, ensuring that team members are following Agile principles and working collaboratively. When conflicts arise, the Scrum Master helps the team identify the root cause of the issue, facilitates conversations, and helps team members work through their differences. Scrum Masters also work to maintain team morale, making sure that conflicts don't negatively affect the team's overall productivity or well-being. In addition to resolving conflicts within the team, Scrum Masters help the team avoid conflict by encouraging clear communication, trust, and respect among team members. The RTE plays a more macro-level role in conflict resolution, overseeing the coordination of multiple teams within an RT. When conflicts arise between teams, the RTE facilitates discussions between Scrum Masters and key stakeholders to ensure that teams remain aligned with the broader goals of the ART and the organization. The RTE ensures that the ART's objectives and priorities are clear and that cross-team dependencies are managed effectively. In addition, the RTE helps mediate conflicts that arise due to misaligned expectations, unclear roles, or resource allocation between teams. By fostering collaboration at the RT level, the RTE helps prevent conflicts from derailing the RT's progress. The core values of SAFe, transparency, alignment, respect, and focus on delivering value, serve as a foundation for conflict resolution. These values guide teams in how they approach conflict and how they engage with each other when disagreements arise. Transparency helps surface potential issues early and ensures that all team members are aware of conflicts or challenges. By being transparent about problems, teams can address them collaboratively rather than letting them fester. In SAFe, transparency also means making information accessible and ensuring that everyone involved in a conflict is on the same page about the issues at hand. In a large-scale agile environment like SAFe, aligning all teams toward a common goal is crucial. When conflicts arise, teams must refocus on the larger objectives of the ART and organization. Alignment ensures that even when teams have disagreements, they are all working toward the same value proposition. When conflicts arise over priorities or technical approaches, a focus on alignment can help teams navigate those disagreements by emphasizing shared goals. SAFe emphasizes respect for all individuals involved in the process. Conflicts often arise when team members feel that their ideas, contributions, or concerns are not being respected. By cultivating a culture of respect, teams are more likely to handle conflicts constructively. Respect also means valuing diverse perspectives, which can help teams solve problems creatively and collaboratively. The ultimate goal of SAFe is to deliver value to the customer. When conflicts arise, teams are encouraged to focus on the bigger picture, delivering high-quality products and services. This value-driven approach helps teams set aside personal differences and focus on finding solutions that benefit the customer rather than being bogged down by internal conflicts. Retrospectives are a critical component of conflict resolution in SAFe. They provide a structured forum for teams to reflect on the iteration or program increment and identify what worked well, what didn't, and what can be improved. During retrospectives, teams can discuss conflicts that occurred during the iteration and explore root causes. They can also identify strategies to prevent similar conflicts in the future. By embracing a culture of continuous improvement, teams use retrospectives to improve their processes, communication, and collaboration. Conflicts in SAFe, when managed effectively, can lead to stronger teams, better decision-making, and improved collaboration. By fostering open communication, leveraging the roles of the Scrum Master and Release Train Engineer, and grounding conflict resolution in SAFe's core values, teams can address conflicts constructively. Retrospectives, as a tool for continuous improvement, allow teams to learn from conflicts and adapt their processes accordingly. Ultimately, by addressing conflicts proactively and focusing on delivering value, SAFe provides a framework that turns conflict into an opportunity for growth, alignment, and innovation.